Welcome to Project Brighton. My name is Cheng Tan. I am the founder of Tan Interiors, Inc., and I am standing in the front foyer of our Project Brighton. The vision behind the design was to create an open concept space for our clients to entertain and also to create a family living in this home. So I am standing in the front foyer, and we want to create this welcoming front foyer with ample of storage for our clients' guests when they're visiting to hang their coats, to put their shoes in the drawers, because we already have a huge storage space for the family in the mudroom. The selection of the tile for the front foyer was picked based on the color palette of the rest of the space. For example, in the kitchen, we have that darkish gray color in the cabinet, and so we tie it all in with the tile in the foyer. To create separation from the tile to the hardwood floor for the rest of the house, we created this beautiful hardwood border around the tile, seamlessly transition from tile to hardwood. We are standing in the main floor powder room, and the vision behind the powder room is inspired by the boutique hotel's bathrooms. So we designed this with the mindset of luxury, craftsmanship, details-oriented, and to create a wow factor when even the homeowners themselves and their guests come in, they get to feel that feeling of being away from home. The selection for the stone countertop is marble, and we incorporated with this beautiful white cabinet. It has that details in the knobs that complements our cabinetry. We chose the dark wall color. It's from Benjamin Moore, called Black Magic, and we want to incorporate this color to create that moody yet cozy feeling in this powder room. It feels like this is your space when you're in it. The idea behind this open concept space is to create separation without adding walls. This family room also works as a sitting nook when our clients would have guests come over for dinner. This also can be a relaxing space for them to sit and have conversation. We wanted to create a wow factor in this sitting nook / family room. Therefore, we have chosen the beautiful porcelain and book match, the two stone, to create a focal point. I am standing in the dining room, and it is adjacent to our sitting nook where guests can come and have dinner and enjoy the space with our clients. For this project, we collaborated with Tan Construction Limited to create this beautiful custom home.
Hi, my name is Eric Tan, the owner of Tan Construction Limited. We had built this house from scratch, beginning to the end. The design concept behind this custom-built home is a seamless integration between Tan Construction Limited and Tan Interior. At Tan Construction, we are known for quality workmanship.
We specialize in creating timeless spaces. We incorporated classic pieces such as this beautiful cabinetry with dark color to create this inviting and cozy feeling in this family room. We incorporated this beautiful oversized sectional, and we chose a low profile sofa to make sure that the eye goes straight to the kitchen and the eye goes straight to the outdoor space. The built-in is from ceiling to floor. It helps to elongate the already high ceiling in this home. For every light in the house, we hand-picked every single one of them to complement each and every single room. For example, this beautiful oversized chandelier in this family room to complement the dark cabinetry with the porcelain slab. The last time we were in this kitchen, it was half done. Right now, as you can see, the space is fully completed. To complete the space, we added these beautiful pendants over the island. It a statement, and it acts as a piece of jewelry to our beautiful kitchen. When designing this kitchen, we knew that we had the space for an oversized island. Now this is a perfect space for entertaining. We wanted to keep the conversational flow between the two rooms, so we keep the furniture low profiled for both the kitchen and the family room. When designing a home, we love to create an open concept space where we also create cohesiveness within each of the rooms. The three spaces function very well together. So we selected furniture for this breakfast nook to complement the rest of the space, where low profile furniture and see-through furniture like this chair and this glass table, where when you look from all angles, nothing is obstructing your view. We are now in the lower suite of this custom home. To allow more natural light to come in, we kept the open concept design, and to also bring in harmony between all three floors, we kept the color palette similar. The inspiration behind this kitchen design is to create modern Scandinavian aesthetic, where we opted for the scallop cabinet design and also this beautiful porcelain countertop and backsplash. The reason why we designed this kitchen the way that we did is to create the distinction where the main floor kitchen is formal and this kitchen is informal. To maximize functionality in this kitchen island, we opted for push to open drawers. The one thing that I absolutely love are these hidden handles on the upper cabinets and lower cabinets. Can you even see them? We're standing in our seating room across from our informal kitchen in the lower suite. We wanted to create a gallery feel space. Therefore, we went with the open concept bookshelves where it's symmetrical on both sides. To further go with our gallery feel of the space, we went in and did a custom built-in LED to all of the shelves on both sides. I am sitting in our steam room in the lower suite. As you can see, we opted for dark, moody aesthetic. We went with the dark and gold porcelain veining and finish it off with the penny rounds floor. In addition to it being a full steam room, this is also a full shower room. We opted for black shower fixtures to complement the rest of the space. We are standing in one of two guest suites in the lower floor. The one thing that we love about this bedroom is that we designed and built this large custom closet. I'm standing in three-piece bathroom next to our first guest suite. We wanted to create a spa-like bathroom by adding natural elements such as walnut cabinetry, contrasting with the tiles on the walls and on the floor. In the second guest suite, we have this electrical panel in the room, so we wanted to conceal the electrical panel. Therefore, we decided to go with a built-in cabinetry to conceal it, also adding additional storage to the cabinet. In contrast to the first guest suite, this room has its own ensuite. In the ensuite, we decided to go with a lighter color palette to complement the bedroom. In the previous bathroom, we had a bathtub shower combo. In this ensuite, we wanted to change it up and create a full walk-in shower. When we designed the space, we knew that we needed two laundry rooms for the lower suite and for the main floor. It's for functionality and accessibility. We have 4 bedrooms on the second floor, and each bedroom has its own unique characteristics. In this bedroom, our ensuite is beautifully designed and it's pink. It feels very whimsical. When designing this bedroom, we wanted to give options for 2 beds or 1 queen bed. We had to be mindful of the electrical outlet placements and also the switches that will control the pot lights and the chandelier. Since the electrical outlets have been placed in the right spots, whether they choose to have 2 twin beds side by side with the nightstand in the center or the nightstand on the outer, there are outlets prepared for them. When we originally designed this home, we wanted to design for 2 sisters. Therefore, we opted for pink on pink colors on the walls and on the cabinets to create that airy, beautiful, and whimsical feel. To contrast that, we opted for the marble effect on the porcelain tiles with the hexagon mosaic on the shower floor and the niche. We are in the second bedroom, and the one feature that I want to show you is the jewelry closet. The jewelry closet has multiple shelves where you can store your accessories or purses, etc. And in the third bedroom, we create this high contrast ensuite by incorporating the hexagon mosaic floor to the porcelain tile on the wall, also the beautiful gray countertop. In this principal bedroom, there are 2 things that I want to highlight. One is the jewelry closet that we designed, and the second one is a ceiling that we also crafted. It's called the tray ceiling. It helps to elevate the ceiling height and make the room feel bigger, and is also unique compared to the rest of the bedrooms. We call this Paris meets New York. The design concept for this principal ensuite was inspired by the New York boutique hotels with the Parisian flair. While the cabinet is timeless, we opted for elements such as the quartzite countertop, porcelain tiles, and also the mosaic on the walls to add that bold element in this ensuite. To capture the mix between the New York boutique hotels and the Parisian inspired details, we opted for this beautiful glass chandelier, and it complements the matching sconces on the walls like you see here, and where we have it at the makeup station. I hope our design inspires you to reimagine your living space. It's good to have you on this journey with us as we design your space for life.